Let's make some chicken fettuccine alfredo. I started off by pounding 3 chicken breasts, then seasoning it with salt, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, oregano, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and mix everything together. I drizzled olive oil on both sides of the chicken, then seasoned it with the spice mixture, placed it in a tray lined with parchment paper, put it in the oven at 450 for 20 to 25 minutes. Then I cooked the fettuccine according to the directions on the box. While that was going, I started on the alfredo sauce. I did 1 stick of butter, 3 cloves of garlic. I added in 2 tablespoons of flour, mixed it in really well, then 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of chicken broth. I added in 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper, mixed it until the cheese melted and it came to a boil. It started to thicken up. Then I added in the pasta, mixed it all together, took the chicken out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. I sliced up the chicken breast, put it on top of the fettuccine alfredo, garnished it with some parsley, and that was it, some delicious and creamy chicken fettuccine Alfredo.